Dog Bart has stolen all the dog and cat toys in the neighborhood, and there's gonna be some really grumpy pets unless the toys are found!
Man, oh man! That sounds terrible, Nature Cat! What can we do?
We might need some big-time help for this.
Hey, I don't know. Do you think this treasure map I just dug up might help?
Yes!
Bad Dog Bart must have left behind a map that shows where his stolen treasure is buried, and 3 different ways to get there!
Ooh! I wonder what we'll see in Colossal Caves!
What about Hidden Falls?
Critter Cavern sounds cool, because I love critters and I love caverns. It's a win-win for me, baby!
Which one should we start with? Hey, remember, when in a cave, we need to keep our voices down. Hal?
Hidden Falls has lots of underground streams and waterfalls. Did you know many caves are formed by water? But you know how I feel about water, so let's do everything we can to stay dry. Move right by tapping here. Move left by tapping here. And jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping. My little glowworm friend! My little glowworm friend! How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! And check out all the glowworms we collected along the way!
I love flashlights because they're so flashy and so lighty and all at the same time. Uh-oh, it looks like someone left all their equipment in the cave. Let's help them get them back.
We need to find a helmet. Looks like we found a helmet. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a backpack. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a backpack. Looks like you could cave hunt all day long. We need to find a hiking boot. Looks like we found a hiking boot. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a canteen. Looks like we found a canteen. Let's do it again. We need to find a first aid kit. Looks like we found a first aid kit. Oh yeah, man, you figured out this flashlight thing. Here's another one. We need to find a notebook. Looks like we found a notebook.
Great work! We found all the lost items and earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. Yippee!
Oh yeah, man, great work! We found all the lost items and we earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. How cool is that?
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in.
Colossal Caves is amazing, but be careful. The stalactites on the ceiling and the stalagmites on the ground can break easily, so no touching! Move right by tapping here. Move left by tap and jump by tapping. Move right and jump. Hi, my little glowworm friend. My little glowworm friend. How I love collecting glowworms. 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 My little glowworm friend! And check out all the glowworms we collected along the way!
Here's a cool tool. Kinda looks like a paintbrush, and we can use it to brush away the dirt ever so.
The next fossil you need to find is a trilobite.
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a trilobite. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found an ammonite. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find is a brachiopod.
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a brachiopod. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find is a fern.
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fern. There's no stopping you. Can you do it again? The next fossil you need to find is a fish.
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fish. Man, oh man, you're getting good at this. Here's another one. The next fossil you need to find is a shark's tooth.
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a shark's tooth.
Great job! You're a natural cave hunter. We've uncovered all the fossils and earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault.
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just...
Critter Cavern is filled with some of my favorite underground critter pals. But be careful, we don't want to disturb them.
We don't...
Move right by, move left by, and jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping here. How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms.
Like many other cave animals, Tumbling Creek cave snails are also blind.
How I love collecting glowworms. How I I love collecting glowworms.
The Bone Cave Harvestman is tiny with long legs and an orange-colored body.
My little glowworm friend!
Ozark blind cavefish can live as long as 15 years or more.
How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend!
The Coleman cave beetle has no eyes and eats other bugs like spiders, mites, and millipedes.
My little glowworm friend!
Alabama cave shrimp are about the size of a marble.
Congratulations, Cave Hunter! We made it through the tunnel in time.
Hey, I really want to take pictures.
West, north, east, south. Looks like you need to find the cave Daisy, go. Daisy, go. West. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave beetle. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find the Daisy, go. Daisy, go. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave crayfish. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find the cave shrimp. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go south. Daisy, go east. Looks like we found the cave shrimp. We got another great photo. Let's do it again. Looks like you need to find Daisy, go north. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the creek cave snail. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go south. Looks like we found the little brown bat. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find the Daisy, go west. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the false scorpion.
Man, oh man, you really know your compass directions. We finished my photo album and we've earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. So that vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the...
Great work! All the special keys are in place. Now all we need to do is turn the handle.
Open sesame! I smell toys.
Oh no! There goes that really bad dog Bart! We've missed him again!
But we got the toys back.
And look at our glowworm dance party. This makes me want to go back and collect more glowworms.
These glowworms really can bust a move. Makes me want to join them.
Me too. Yay! Sweet!
Yippee! Let's shake it, baby!
Me